Good morning. It's coffee time once again. It's been a couple days. I think I might be back on the regular schedule of doing these every couple days. I'm not so sure I'm going to be posting on the blog though every 2 days. It seems like actually posting and then posting to social media takes a little bit more time than I was anticipating. I'm still trying to write every morning, so got up fairly early today. I think it was like 4:30 or so. Did a little writing, put up a new instance of WordPress on a server. So I do believe I'm going to get that website going that I've been talking about forever, although it's changed drastically because of COVID-19. And I've also decided to change the website name. So all these years it's been On the Road with Andrew. That's what it was going to be. Now it's going to be at geo.us, I believe. I also have or at geo.com, but I think I'm going to use the US version. Um, so it'll be On the Road with Andrew at geo.us. And I did some user testing, and that's what made me decide I should really change the website name. You know, you think you know what you're doing, and in your own mind and from your own experience, everything looks cool. But then when you actually have somebody use it or try to type in the name is one of the things that made me decide to go with a much shorter name. Nobody could type it in properly, or at least not for several tries. So I thought at geo.us, or I'll have at geo.com going to that site as well. And then I did the commercial site, the website development marketing site, that's going to be at geo.us.com. So that if anybody needs a website or needs wants to talk about doing online marketing, get in touch with me. And I think the Twitch, I'm not sure what I'm going to call the Twitch name. Right now it's at Geo US, I believe. But I'm really thinking of changing that one back to On the Road with Andrew because it just seems to make more sense, and I'm going to hopefully be doing more there. I don't think that's going to be till towards the end of the week though. And I decided to just use this headset and this setup for a while. Uh, it may take a while to be able to get any new equipment or to do it the way I wanted to, I should say. I think that is probably going to do it for today. Um, Today I have a little bit more time, so at least for an hour or two. So I'm kind of looking for those comments if anybody's actually seeing this. Be happy to answer any questions you might have. Looks like I'm starting too early today. Okay, I do plan on having another post up on the Heavens Banquet website soon. I may put it up tomorrow evening, but I probably will start trying to get those up every 3 days now, I believe. At least that's the new plan. Okay? I am wishing you the very best in life. Have a wonderful day. Bye.